Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. In this short video, I'm going to take a deeper dive into focus mode on both the Mac and iOS. One of the issues with using apps is the constant onslaught of notifications and distractions. Apple tried to combat this in previous versions with Do Not Disturb, but it was really like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. With the introduction of focus mode, Apple has now given us a much more granular approach to controlling how notifications are presented to us, as well as being able to create multiple scenarios or focus modes with different rules for who and what can interrupt us. Now, the great thing about focus mode is that you can set up all your different scenarios on one device and have them copied to all your other devices if needs be. So let's start with focus mode on the Mac, and after I'll show you some additional focus mechanisms available on iOS only. You can access your various focus modes directly from your desktop by clicking on Control Center, and we have this panel here for focus. If I just click on here, we've got a Do Not Disturb facility. So this is the same as Do Not Disturb previously. It will switch off all your notifications completely. I think it will still allow certain calls to come through from VIPs, but basically if you just want to go into a Do Not Disturb mode, you can switch this on from here. If I just click this once, you'll see this highlights, and up at the top we've got this focus is switched on. I can switch it on for an hour or until this evening, so it's on till 7 o'clock. If I want to switch it off, I just tap again. Now, focus is intelligent in that it's aware of events that are going on around you. For instance, if you have a meeting set up, we'd get another option in this list. In fact, let's go ahead and go into Calendar. And let's see, it's about 12:37 now. So if I create a meeting for today for 12:40, so that's going to last for an hour. Now, it's not quite 12:40, but if I go into Focus, you'll see, there we go. I can switch on now until the end of the next event because this event is actually starting to approach. If I just leave it for a few minutes and then I'll come back. If I go back to Control Panel and go to Focus, you'll see now I have the option for until the end of this event. So I know the event has started. It's gone 12:40. If I click on here, it's now on till 13:40. But let's switch that off for now. I already have a reading focus mode set up, but we'll go ahead and look at focus preferences to set our own custom modes. Before I do that though, just one other option. If you think you're going to be using this a lot, what you can do is rather than go through Control Center, just drag this into the menu bar, and you now have focus directly from the menu bar. But let's go into, in fact, we'll close the calendar down. We'll pick it up from the menu bar and we'll go into focus preferences. Now, before we look at setting up our own custom focus modes, I just want to point out a new type of notification, and you'll find this under, for instance, Calendar. You'll see here, allow time-sensitive alerts. I switch that on. Now, these are also available in other applications such as Find My, Messages, Reminders, Screen Time, and Wallet. And these allow for alerts that are time-based to be handled differently by focus mode. Now, just as an aside as well, there's also a new critical alert specifically for the Home app. So if we go down to the Home app, there it is. You'll see there's also critical alerts here. Now, this isn't related to focus modes, but I'm going to switch that on anyway. I also have my allow time sensitive alerts switched on here as well. So let's go back to the focus panel. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.